This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need NFC and an updated Google Pay app. Enable NFC in settings now. Open Google Pay, tap the plus icon, and add your debit or credit card. Follow bank verification prompts. This may include a one-time code or app approval. Once done, make sure to set your preferred default card and optionally add a backup card for situations at checkout. This gets you ready to tap and pay. Next, practice unlocking and device positioning for smooth transactions. You step up to the terminal and confirm it accepts contactless payments. Look for the contactless or Google Pay logo. Wake and unlock your phone, then hold the top back of the device close to the terminal for about 1 to 2 seconds. Don't swipe away immediately. Once you feel a vibration, hear a sound, or see an on-screen confirmation, the payment is processed. If you need a receipt, tap to request one. Make sure your stance and hold keep the phone steady during the exchange. You finish by checking the transaction confirmation and receiving a receipt. Confirm the amount and merchant name immediately. If the payment is declined, retry once with your default or backup card, or ask the cashier to reinitiate the terminal transaction. If problems persist, restart your phone, ensure any bank app approvals or SMS codes are completed, and verify your card status with the issuer. This single troubleshooting tip, restart, then retry, solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.